Yo, what's happening, Opal fam? It's your boy Opal Ninja here. We've got ourselves a 15.85 piece of crystal lightning ridge, bit of seam opal. Looks promising, bit of a gamble. Full of bits and pieces in there. We're going to be doing a couple of stones today. We have got another piece of lightning ridge. This is black. It's an extreme gamble stone. There's a lot of nonsense going on in here. We've got sand, there's no cracks, which is great. The huge chunk of potch and not much colour. So we'll see what happens. And in this piece we've got just a little 144.3 carat piece of black lightning ridge seam opal. Quite hard to get this stuff. Full of colour, obviously. This one, unfortunately, is not. There's a lot of black potch in there. It's a great big seam. Little bit of colour. Maybe we could get, hoping for a couple of carats, maybe 4 or 5, maybe 2 stones. We'll make a start with the crystal. It's got blue and purple tones. We've also got maybe a touch of green in there. If we can get it to come right, if we can get the sand off and make a good surface, it's going to be a very shallow dome. It's looking interesting. Sand seems to be coming out okay. It's just a few bit of surface pieces left, and we've got ourselves a nice little triangle drop pendant. Nailed it. Got the sand. Now this one, black lightning ridge. It's got colour, greens and blues. The king of opals, lightning ridge black. As gamble stones, when the rough parcels come from the miners, got to be careful how you buy when you're doing it, if you're doing it that way, because what colour is exposed can be very, very difficult to make a stone from. And this one is a very, very challenging piece, and unfortunately got eaten by sand. What's this bad boy gonna do? Imagine if that was full of colour. Oh. However, we're going to chase the colour. We're going to find it. We know whereabouts it is, and we're going to see how far it goes into the stone. It could potentially go in 5 or 6 mils. It could just be sitting right there on that surface. Taking it further, taking it deeper, trying to keep the colour exposed, and it's not looking great. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like there's much colour in there at all. Unfortunately not, no. We tried. It doesn't always work. That's the luck of opal. But our little piece of crystal, our little purple blue triangle drop, make a nice little pendant if we can continue to get that shape right. The surfaces are clean, the sands all come out. It's not very bright, unfortunately. It didn't have, when looking at it from the side, it looked like it could be quite bright in there. Just giving it her final polish before we put it onto the cerium oxide. She's looking good. All the surface scratches have gone. Just here for the final step, and I think we've got a pretty decent little stone. Not bad. Not too bad. Nowhere near as bright as I would have hoped. It's kind of a bit jelly in texture. It's sort of very transparent, hence the black background. You get to see the colour. And we ended up with a 5.45 gem. Thanks, Opal fam. Great to see you this time. We'll catch you on the next one. If you liked the video, give it a like and a share and a subscribe and all that nonsense. We'll speak to you later. Ciao.